everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is inspired by Gamora from Guardians of the Galaxy and the new Avengers. Obviously it is literally just an inspired look. I haven't gone all green purely because I didn't really want to have to take all of that off. I mean, that is a lot of green. But I've sort of put green around my face just sort of so you can see that it's inspired by it. I've tried to keep it as easy to do as possible. And I'm actually quite surprised that pink and green eyeshadows go so well together. So if you want to see how to recreate this look, then carry on watching. So this is the finished Gamora look. The silver lines are not really picking up on camera all that well. I don't know why, but they are there, and I've tried to make it so you can see what I'm doing, but it is just the camera would not pick them up. I think because it's silver and it's quite bright in here as well, because for once in England it's sunny. But I hope you like this look, and if you did, please get big thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want me to do more inspired looks or full transformation looks, then please let me know, and also of who you would like. So I'll see you soon with another video. Bye!